Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Go to Windows key on your taskbar and type cmd open as administrator. In the Windows type here tasks.msc and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the Task Scheduler library and click on Create Task. Provide the task name, such as shutdown, add a description and click Next. Go to Triggers click and click on New. Choose when you would like your task to start and set the start date and time of the task and click Next. Click on OK and click on Actions and New option click. Click on the Browse button and choose Shutdown.exe from C/Windows/System32. Type here SFT number in seconds. And press OK or Enter key. And press OK. Complete the task and run click. You're about to be signed out. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video.